Hello guys, it's Mars back with another dissection, and today we will be dissecting fetal pigs. So first of all, we put down our tools. We had scissors, tweezers, and scalpels. So we found out the sex of our pig is probably female. Our pig is also about 14 inches, so our pig is likely over 115 days. This means our pig was probably overcooked in the womb. So next we went ahead and tied our pig down so that we can have our pig belly up so that we can get easy access to those organs. Comes the fun part. So our first incision was giving the pig a nice Jeff the Killer smile so that we can get a good view of the pig's throat.
Cut through the musculature and the joint that holds the lower jaw to the skull.
I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh, not the cracks.
Now our pig had a black thing in her mouth. I don't know what that is. It might be like some
there you go.
meconium, like fetal poop. That's at least what I think it is. But yeah, we got a good view of it. There you have like a molar right there too. I don't know if y'all can see it on this view.
Like I should have goggles on.
Right. That wasn't needed, but
Then we went in with our throat cut, as you see my lab partner is doing here. Next step was to go in with our abdominal cut, as I'm doing here, and I've sped it up because this was like 10 minutes of cutting. My original cut was not wide enough, so I did have to widen up the abdominal cut a little bit and remove a piece of flesh.
You didn't decide to open enough like how it is right here.
Now, as you can see, we got a nice view of the abdominal and thoracic region, and we can see most of the organs. However, we did choose to widen it up a little bit and make it go down a little bit further. We also removed the pericardium and pulled it back so that we can get a nice view of that heart.
Don't think we have to cut it, so I guess we can just peel it back. What's the next one?
found the diaphragm.
Are you showing this side?
Oh no, you're fine.
Since the probably brought up through the head and then somewhere in the back.
What is this part?
The pericardium we already peeled away.
Okay, we found a heart. What's the next one? Oh, we can actually look at the heart.
Arteries, what's the aortic arch? That's a good question. Oh wait, I think I see it.
The heart is like so much more vibrant than the other heart.
Yeah, that's the what's it called?
The right atrium.
That's the right atrium right there.
Oh, I see it.
That's the left atrium. Looking for the aortic arch.
Should I cut some more?
I think we can pull it apart here. Let me see if I can try to peel this away. Right here. We don't want this.
Okay, there we go. That's better. This part might be the arch, right?
Yeah.
The thing behind there. Did you cut the liver too? Looks like the liver has a slice in it.
I think we should be okay.
So in this part, we were trying to decipher
Stomach.
some of the organs.
This is the stomach,
and yes,
right?
the
Yeah,
part
this is
I
the
think
stomach's
is
like
the
gonna be
gallbladder.
deflated because the pig has
That
eaten.
green part up there.
Where's the
Why
pancreas?
does
Part that she's probably pointing at is
I didn't mean to poke
likely
it.
the pancreas,
Normally it's only
but we are not
Where's the
sure
pancreas?
because the
This
This is too
pancreas were
soft.
getting
I did not
dissolved
mean
in
to
the
put
pig.
that. What's this one?
The part that she's poking at
Where's the
now
pancreas
is the
and
pig's
is this?
stomach.
I think
which
this is the
likely
gallbladder right here, right? Isn't the gallbladder like connected to the liver?
because it is puffed up.
Oh, this might be the stomach. This is the stomach. This
Yes,
might be the
she is
gallbladder.
right.
That's probably the stomach right there. I think this is the gallbladder, right? Because it's usually connected to the liver and it has like a
This
greenish
is like
color.
the gallbladder, stomach. What's that one?
Is that? Where's the pancreas though? Is that the pancreas right there?
This might be the pancreas.
That's not the pancreas. This is the gallbladder. I'm pretty sure.
This is the gallbladder.
Wait, let me see that.
This is definitely the stomach. What's the... Oh, large intestines.
You can see right there. It's full of the baby poop stuff. What's she called again?
As you can see,
starts
the
with an M.
intestines are
Oh, this
green
is
and
the large
fine and
intestines.
conium.
This is the small
In
intestines.
fetuses, this is
What she called
consists
it?
of mostly amniotic fluid
Menocomin,
and stuff like
comium.
that. And it does not smell bad either. It comes out when the fetus is first born. Next segment, we will be naming
Oh, is this-
organs.
That's a kidney right there, I think.
But if you want to see the brain and all the organs outside of the pig, as well as the eyeball and everything, stay tuned to the end where I record another one of my lab buddies doing a different pig.
Move your arm, please. Okay. So first, what is this structure right here?
Lungs.
Yeah, so these are your lungs. And you just want me to randomize?
You can.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Very good. Razors. What is this structure?
Stomach.
That's the spleen.
Yeah, this is the spleen. And coming under here, what is this called?
What's it called again? I forgot. Let's start with a C.
Yeah.
Cecum.
Yes, this is the cecum. And what was this in evolution?
Like a second
That
stomach.
was the thing that like you could have
Yeah.
gone either way.
Well, the thing is that this was intended to help digest plants initially for herbivores.
It's like the equivalent of appendix people.
Now, let's see. What is this called? This hard structure right here?
Isn't that the thymus, right?
No.
Thyroid?
The thyroid.
Esophagus.
But this is going to be your larynx. So this is kind of like your voice box that attaches to the trachea. So your trachea comes through here, and then you will have your thymus and your thyroid over here to the side. Okay? Alright, and then this is the part. I don't think I need to focus on that. What is this fiber structure called?
Diaphragm.
I'm sorry?
The pericardium?
Not quite.
Diaphragm.
Yes. So this fiber structure
I thought you were
right
playing
here.
right here.
No, this fiber structure right here. Okay. What is this area under here called? This green area?
What's it called? Gallbladder.
Right. Gallbladder.
Yes, I was right.
Okay. And what is the area of the stomach where the stomach connects to the small intestine called right here?
I forgot.
What are you pointing at?
So we have the stomach right here, and this connects it to the small intestine.
Is the stomach the sac right there?
Yeah, so the stomach is this sac right
Wait,
here,
why is it filled then? I thought it should be like empty.
probably filled with fluid.
Maybe the baby was like eating, swallowed up some of the food, or maybe some of the formaldehyde got in there.
So here's the stomach, and then this area leads into the small intestine. What is this called?
I forgot what that was called. It's
Start
there.
with an S.
A D.
Diadem. I don't think that's it.
You're doing good.
right here.
Yeah, the area that connects the stomach to the small intestine.
I forgot what it's called.
Y'all need help? So what's the name of the Duolingo now?
Duodenum.
Yeah.
Duodenum.
Alright, so yeah, this is the duodenum. So this leads from the stomach to the small intestine, and it's this little area right here. Okay? Alright. What are these little things on the edges of this structure?
Urinary artery, or the
Umbilical arteries? Umbilical arteries. And then it's cut right here, but you can see it a little bit. What is this called? The vein?
The umbilical vein.
What is this in the middle of the two
That's the
arteries?
urinary artery.
Right.
So bladder in the middle. Is a bladder in the same place on humans, like the middle of?
Not exactly.
Because I was like, I'm pretty sure like ours is the bottom. It's like more round.
See, it's really hard to see through a fluid, but there is a kidney. Well, this kind of structure back here. What is this called?
Kidney?
Too. Yeah. So those are your kidneys. They're going to lead it down into.
Is the green thing in the middle the ureter?
Huh?
Is the green thing in the middle the ureter?
This thing?
Like the line down the middle.
Oh, the line down
Is
the
that
middle.
the ureter?
Sorry.
Yes, but also is this a male or a female?
That's a female.
You have a female? Okay. Yeah, so you're gonna have your uterus, you're gonna have your ovaries on the edges, and you're gonna have uterine horns on a pig. You don't have those. So it's hard to see in all this fluid, but you basically think of it kind of like a little tree with two branches coming off. You got your uterus right here, and then that's going to branch off into your two ovaries. That's also going to lead down towards the vagina. Okay? Alright. Let's see. Looking in here, this is the tongue, obviously. What is this striated area in the front called? Soft palate? The hard palate, right? And then in the back is the
Soft palate.
the soft palate. And what are the two structures that you have back here towards the throat?
Trachea and esophagus.
Well, these are more down here. Up here, yeah.
Vocal cords.
Do I want to see a picture of this today?
Oh my god.
You're in the epiglottis.
Oh, the epiglottis.
Right.
Well, that's
So
the
you have
one
your
you see
glottis and
sometimes.
epiglottis in the same area back here.
Well, that's the one you see sometimes when you get sick. Like if you look and you see like the little triangle thing, not triangle, rectangle thing. They get swollen. Is that the thyroid right there?
Okay. Okay. So over here, what two glands are here?
I forgot what they're called. The things at the side. They're called it's at the tip of my tongue. It's at the tip of my tongue. Lymph.
Well, that's
Those are not glands.
I'm talking about endocrine glands.
Start with the
So when you move kind of the butterfly structures here, you get the one in the middle.
The thymus.
Yeah, the thymus is the butterfly structured one. And then what is the other one called?
The thyroid.
The right. So you have your thymus over here, and it's going to be large and this is a fetal pig, and that's going to release the hormones that allow it to develop. And then your thyroid here is what it's going to control your metabolism. Okay? Okay. That also has the parathyroid glands on it, which help to control your blood calcium. Alright. And then obviously that's the heart. I don't think I need to quiz that. What is this giant structure?
Liver.
The liver, right.
Where's the pancreas?
You're looking for the pancreas? Well, yours might have disintegrated as well. It seems like that's what's happening with these pigs for some reason. We're not sure exactly.
What's that one right there next to the liver?
Yeah, this might be it right here.
This one right here, is that the pancreas?
Yeah, this thing might be the pancreas, but they seem to be disintegrating a lot in here, but just know that it's right under here.
Because the formaldehyde like dissolves it.
Something like that. Okay. And I think that's okay, so what is this? When you're looking at the directions of the pig, What is this side of the pig called? The belly.
The
Anterior.
Yeah.
right from the belly to where?
Just like the side of the pig in general. This plane.
The anterior.
Yeah, so that could be anterior. And another name for it is
Sagittal.
ventral. Yeah, so this is your ventral side.
Belly.
Yeah, so this is your anterior ventral side. Now, if we flip it over, is it alright if I see that?
It'll probably help to get like the fluid out too.
Yeah.
Yeah. You might want to flip it over. So we could get some of that fluid out.
Yeah.
So you can see it better.
So if we dump out some of the fluid too, now you can see some of these structures a little better. So now you can see the urethra area. And now you can see your kidneys a little bit. So yeah, it's just a lot of fluid in there. Yeah. And also here are your uterine horns.
Oh, I can see them now.
Yep. Now you can see your uterine horns. See it?
But that's when Rhett and Link ate them, they look curly. Like I was like, why does the uterus look curly?
Okay, what is this side called?
Posterior or what's the other name for it? Caudal? Not caudal. Dorsal.
Right. Now back here, what is this called? And just
Caudal.
yeah, your caudal side. All right, and up here.
The nostril. What's the name for it again?
Yeah,
Cranial.
So here you have
There's
cranial.
another word for the nose too. I don't know.
Is it nostril or
So here
is
you
that
also have your
sounds?
nose. That's what these are called. Okay. So yeah, here you have your cranial, your caudal, your dorsal, and your ventral. All good on that? Okay. What is the outer part of this here called?
The auricle.
The pinna. Yeah, pinna or the auricle. Either one works. All right, what's this hole back here?
Anus.
The anus.
Urogenital. Oh.
The urogenital opening.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's a vagina. Sorry.
Wait, so the vagina is connected to the butt on the pigs?
Not necessarily. So they are very close together here, but you can see that you have the vagina and the clitoris over here.
Is that the clitoris, the thing that's sticking out?
Yeah. So it's like a curl shape kind of. So you have your vagina, you have your clitoris, and then above that you have your anus, which is this hole up here.
It's time to pack up our pig and move on to the other pig.
Intestine, liver, large intestine, stomach, pancreas maybe, and then lungs, and heart, and then kidneys, and your uterus.
So he decided to go further in,
Yeah, I think
and
it's like really.
you can see this is the pig's eye. So he broke into the skull and peeled off its
Yeah.
Here's a great view of the brain.
You should pull the brain out.
Bro, that's not right. What is it?
You can see the eyeball.
Oh, it's deep in there. Come on. Come on.
Just gouging the pig's eyes out.
Come on. Man, it's like very.
I hope you enjoyed.